morning, everyone. June 19th. Yeah, June 19th. What is it? Happy Juneteenth Day, whatever it is. I don't know what this is about. But anyways, I just came from a garage sale. I just happened to be riding and saw a sign, so I just followed it and went straight to it. I got a couple things. It ain't much. I ended up paying altogether, I think, $44 for a couple. I got a box of different CDs. It seems like it's more like rock, probably, or country. It's a box of them, and then got something. I was video chatting my wife at the time, and then she saw something, and I picked up a little shelf, and that she said she could use. What else? It was. I'm trying to think of what it was. I'll just show y'all when I get home. But just let y'all know, randomly saw another garage sale and went to it. So always trying to get something. Plus I got another sale today too. So it was for let me see real quick, y'all. It's a Pioneer multi-cassette changer. Pioneer multi-cassette changer. I had it in my listings of like offers you can send people, and this morning because I had a lot of stuff been sitting on there for a little bit of a few days, for a week maybe, something like that, and I decided to finally just send out some offers. And out of, I think, about 5 offers I sent out of I think about 9 I had, it was, I guess one of them ended up biting for it. So this one, for this, the buyer paid $120. That was the offer I sent. They took plus shipping. So I think they came out about 160, 140 or something like that. But go ahead, go home and print the label off of that. I already got that boxed up. So far that's it. But when I get home, I'll show y'all guys what I got, and we'll go from there. So I'm gonna see y'all guys later. Alright guys, back here. Got the stuff all set up. Not much. Let me go ahead and turn you around, show you what I got here. Now, here's the little wooden show my wife wanted. So she could use that. It cost $1. The next, I see the PS2 here. I don't even know, to be honest, if it even works. I don't even have a power cord to it, but I'll be able to get one. So that's it for PS2. They wanted $10 for that. Paid $10 for that. The shelf was $1. This whole collection of CDs sold to me for $30. Probably should have tried to talk down a little more, but I think I'll be able to get all my money back from that. So it's a lot of CDs, and lotting them up, I mean, probably could get about a couple lots out of this and make my money back easily. But that was that. $30 for that, $10 here, and this is $3. This is never used, it said. Actually, I'm probably going to keep this for the house because my wife was always talking about getting one of these, so I'm going to keep that one. But everything else is, well, these two is keeping, and everything else, sell it. So pretty much this is it that I have. Well, that was a nice little surprising, but for now on, like I said, every time I just happen to see a garage sale, I'm gonna go ahead and just go to it, because you never know what I have. I mean, what they'll have, and I could be a gold mine one day. So keep on going. But the thing is making sure I got money in my pocket too, because I don't want to have to go there, go to the bank, and come back. So I always try to keep a few dollars in my pocket too. But that's about it for today. Going ahead and get that package together, get that out, and that's about it. And go ahead about the day more. But until then, y'all enjoy your time.
and I'll be back. So another thing going out, it's a Honeywell filter for like humidifiers. So I had one. It was one. I mean, brand new. It's 2 in the pack, but it was only one. But it was brand new, so I only listed just that one and sold it for $5.52 free shipping. So it probably will cost me about, I don't know, $2 something, $3. The ship out. It's not much of a profit, but it was just something that I could list, and I kind of want to keep like little stuff like that, like listed, because if something ain't selling, you got something still, some income coming in. That's why I like it. The little stuff it doesn't really add up, but a little bit after a little bit adds up at times. So had that going out, and now that's about it for right now. So if I come back, I'll see how guys get. All right.